Hello, good evening to all of you. So, very important question for class 10th. How will you calculate the median of a given data? In this data, here we will have to calculate the missing frequency A and B. Here two frequency are missing. How will you calculate? And also given if the total number of frequency that is given by n is equal to 40. Total number of frequency is given in the question 40. So how will you calculate the missing frequency A and B? This is the missing frequency A and B. In this data, first of all, and also given the question, given median of the data is given 32.5. This is given and number of total frequency is 14 given the questions. So how will you calculate the value A and B? That means missing frequency of the given data. So here first of all we will have to calculate the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is calculated by adding the frequency from frequency table to its sum of predecessors. So first of all we will have to calculate the cumulative frequency. This is also known as CF. So this here is A and this will sum. So A plus 5. Similarly A plus 5 and plus 9. So become A plus 9 5 14. A plus 14 plus 12, that means A plus 26. Similarly A plus B plus 26. Similarly, 3 will be added to this frequency, registers of the given class. So 3 becomes A plus B plus 29. And 2 also, so last A plus B plus 31. So total, this is the total number of frequency. This will be the total number of frequency. So here we can write n is given in the question, that is A plus B plus 31, and n given the question 40. Total number of frequency is given 40. So you just write that R40 is equal to A plus B plus 31, or you can write A plus B is equal to 40 minus 31 becomes 9. So this is the first equation. Now we know the formula for calculating the median of any data. Median is equal to, we know that median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So you know all the terms of here in this formula. L is the lower term of the median class. So first of all, how will you decide the median class? Here given median 32.5 and 32.5 lies between this class, that means 32 40. Okay, so this will be the median class. This will be the median class. So you just write on median class. Median class. So median class means the lower limit of this median class is 30 and L is the lower limit of median class. So given that, we can write L is 30. L is 30 of the median class, and the frequency F 12. F is the frequency of median class, that will be 12. And CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding to the median class, that means A plus 40. A plus 40, this is the CF. So CF will be A plus 40. Now H is the height of the class, that means size of the class, that is the 13 minus 40 means upper limit minus lower limit. So that will be 10. H will be 10. So all these values putting in this formula, we have n by 2. N is given the question 40. So we just write down median, and median also given the question 32.5. Putting all the values in this formula, and first of all we will calculate the value of relation between A and B. So here we can write R median given the question 32.5. 32.5 is equal to L. L is given the question 30 plus bracket, small bracket, n by 2 becomes n by 2, means 40 by 2, that becomes 20. 20 minus CF. CF is given the question A plus 14. A plus 14. So that will be, and F is also given the question 12. 12 into H. Into H. H is given the question 10. 10. So here we can write R 32.5 is equal to 30 plus 20 minus A minus 14 upon 12 into 10. Here we will calculate R 32.5 and this will 30 goes there and that will be the minus. So 2.5 minus 30 becomes 2.5. So 2.5 is equal to 20 minus 14 becomes 6. 6 minus A divided by 12 into H. H becomes 10. So cross multiply 2.5 into 12, that becomes 2.5 into 12 is equal to 6 minus A into 10. That is 12 5 is 60, carry 6. 12 5 is 60, carry 12 5 is 60, carry 6. 12 2 is 24 and 6. 24 16 30.0. And this will become CF A plus 14. Very good. So what will happen here? We can see that 6, this 10 goes to this side, that will be divided. So 6 minus A upon 10 becomes 3. So this will be A is equal to 6 minus 3 becomes 3. So value of A we have calculated, A is equal to 3. And how will you calculate the value of B? So we need this formula. This is the first equation in the question. So A, put in the value of A in the first equation. We have A plus B is equal to 9. R, A means 3 plus B is equal to 9. R, B is equal to 9 minus 3 becomes 6. So this will be the A and B, the missing frequency of the given data. So thank you very much. Everyone note it. This will be the answer. This will be the answer. Thank you. Thank you very much.